Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Nadine and welcome to InDesigns. Alright, so today is a very exciting video, but before we get into this video, please, if you do like this video, please remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notifications every time I post a video. So let's get into this video. Alright, so in today's video we are going to unbox the little Cricut Joy. I'm very excited about this because I've been wanting a Cricut Joy for quite a while and I finally ordered it and it arrived and I'm very happy to unbox it with you guys. So I originally thought that because I've got the two bigger machines, the Cricut Maker and the Cricut Explore Air 2, I've also got the Explore 3, that I would not need the Cricut Joy, but I thought, you know what, I would like to have the full collection, and that is why I ordered the Cricut Joy. And I'm also excited to see what this little machine can actually do. Alright, but before we get to the unboxing of the Cricut Joy, I do have the little bag that comes with the Joy. Well, it doesn't come, you have to order it separately, but it is specifically for the Cricut Joy. So if you want to travel, this is what the bag looks like that you buy separately. So here at the back, it's got like a little pouch so you can like put like maybe your mats in there. And the quality, I must say, is honestly, it's very nice. I just want to show it to you guys close up so that you guys can see. And then there's a little, sorry, there's the pocket. Alright, and then we open it. You've got, this is what it looks like on the inside, and it actually shows you here how to put your machine in side, so that's very good because, you know, people like me get confused as to which way the machine goes. And then I'm assuming that this side would be for your cables and everything. And then in here is also another little pocket which is very cute. I think if you have some Cricut Joy pens, you can put that in there, so that is very awesome. And yeah, the reason why I got the Cricut Joy is because I really want to like travel. Not necessarily because I've got projects or anything to do, but you know, if I visit my family, I would like to take my machine with, and if they need little small stickers or things like that, I can just quickly grab my machine and make some stuff for them. So that is another reason I got the Cricut Joy. Alright, so now to get into the unboxing of the Cricut Joy. Now, before I unwrap this, if you guys can see the lighting is like coming and going, please, I'm like apologizing for that. We currently, we don't have load shedding, but for some reason the power is off, so I can't use my ring light. It takes too much like power when I put it on my power bank, so today is just pure natural lighting. Alright, but let me not keep you guys any further, let's unbox this Cricut Joy. Alright, so let's start. Oh, this has actually come loose. Oh, I'm so bad with opening stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, we've got it open. Oh, and just a quick thing, you guys, this is the Cricut knife blade that I got with the same order that I ordered in my previous video, and this little knife is so awesome. So if you don't have it, do yourself a favor and get it. It's really sharp and it works amazing. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Alright. I'm so excited to open the box. I don't even open it every week. Alright, let's see. And that is what's inside the box. And then, oh, wait, I'll get it out. Wow. Okay, honestly you guys, this is like super adorable, but this little machine is so heavy. I'm like surprised at how heavy this machine is. That's crazy how heavy this little Joy is. But yeah, let's see what else is inside the box, and then we will unwrap this baby. But let me just show you guys a close-up real quick how it looks. It's so cute. I mean, look how cute that is, and the color is amazing. Like, I love the color, and it goes like very well with the bag, so it's like matching. I love matching stuff. But anyway, so there we go. Machine. What else is in there? Then you've got your little packet which you get with every machine. I'm guessing that this would be your warranty and things like that. So let's open it and let's see. So yeah, here's your let's get started little book. So in this is how to set up your machine. So that's everything there. So this is like your little startup guide. And then we've got some cardstock to do some test prints. We've got some smart permanent vinyl. It's nice and silver color, just to test it out. And then you've got your Cricut Joy mat as well, which is very cute. Everything is so cute because everything is so small. And then the last thing in here is just basically important safety instructions, and then of course your Cricut warranty that you need to have for your machine if something goes wrong and things like that. Alright, so that is what is in this little packet. Let's see what else is inside the box. Alright, so then, oh wow, it's like packaged so nicely. Let me just show you guys. So everything is like in there and it's very awesome. So we've got a Cricut Joy black pen. This is the fine pointing 0.4 in the color black. So that's what the Cricut Joy pen looks like. I'm very excited to try this out, because you know, you don't always want to use your big machines if you just need to like write something small or something like that. So that's also, I really love that the Joy has also got the writing function. And then you've got your cable, which you need obviously, is your power cable. And then there's actually two adapters. So if I'm not mistaken, that this is the US one, which I'm obviously not going to use because we don't use that in South Africa. So this I'm just gonna put back into the box and keep it. I mean, you never know if I might immigrate or something, and then I will need this. But for now, I'm just gonna put this in the box and keep it there because I'm not going to use it. And then this of course is the cable that we will be using with this adapter for our South African electricity. Alright, so that is that. Let me just put this aside. And then I can't even do a test cut for you guys because there's no power, so let's just put these cables in the box as well. But then let's open this little baby. I don't want to damage the machine. I feel like I'm unwrapping a present. But it is a present for myself, from myself. Right, and the moment of truth. And it's opening. Ooh. And there we go, guys. The little Cricut Joy. Okay, so inside you've got, obviously we need to remove this piece, otherwise we won't be able to use it. And then you've got this like cute, oh my goodness, how freaking cute is this? The little blade that comes with the machine. So then obviously if you want to do some writing, you will take your pen in the place, you'll take your blade out and put your pin in here, and then you would just close it and then you can use it. So awesome, you guys. I'm super excited to use this machine. I can just sing. Alright, so you guys, this is the Cricut Joy, and then the little bag that goes with it. And yeah, I'm definitely not regretting my purchase today. I'm very excited. I will hopefully do another video to show you guys how it works and do some projects, and then we'll take it from there. Yeah, also another thing that I like is I also ordered some vinyl for the Cricut Joy, because it can cut really long vinyl, so I'm very excited about that. Yeah, but let's quickly put this machine in the bag so that you guys can see as well before we end this video. So let's do that. Okay, so let's just close this up. Let's see how it goes in. Alright, so it's going in like this. So you're gonna have your machine up like this, and then you're just gonna put it in there, and then the cables. I think let's do the power adapter first. Get that in there, and then we'll put this one in here, and there we go. And then we'll put our pin on the side. Can you see that? And there we go. We are ready to go on a tour with our Cricut Joy. So awesome. And there you have it, you guys. The Cricut Joy unboxing. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all from me for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!